In the quiet corners of our world, where shadows lengthen and whispers abound, there exists a legend that chills to the bone. It's the tale of the Chupacabra, a creature of myth and fear, whose very name conjures images of the unknown and the terrifying. For decades, this elusive beast has haunted the imaginations of many, leaving a trail of questions and unsettling encounters. Join us as we delve into the chilling origins of the Chupacabra, exploring its legend and the impact it has had on popular culture. Our journey begins in the mid-1990s, amidst the tranquil rural landscapes of Puerto Rico, where life moved at a slower, more predictable pace. Farmers tended their fields and livestock, unaware that a new, terrifying chapter was about to unfold in their peaceful existence. Then, the inexplicable began. Reports emerged of mysterious animal deaths, leaving communities bewildered and deeply disturbed. Livestock, once vibrant and healthy, were found lifeless, their bodies bearing strange, inexplicable marks. The most chilling detail, their blood had been completely drained, with only small, precise puncture wounds visible. This wasn't the work of known predators. This was something new, something terrifyingly efficient. The term Chupacabra, meaning goat sucker, was coined, giving a name to the unseen horror that stalked the night. Fear gripped the communities as more reports surfaced, each one adding to the growing legend of this blood-sucking entity. Eyewitness accounts began to paint a picture of the beast, though these descriptions often varied wildly. Some described a reptilian creature with leathery, scaly skin reminiscent of a dinosaur or a large lizard. Others spoke of a canine-like beast resembling a wild dog or coyote, but with grotesque, unnatural deformities. Common to many accounts were spines running down its back, a menacing ridge that added to its fearsome appearance. Large, piercing eyes, often described as red or glowing, were said to fixate on its prey, instilling paralyzing terror. And of course, the sharp fangs, the tools of its gruesome trade, were a consistent and terrifying detail. The creature's skin was often described as gray-green or scaly, with a lean, muscular build suggesting agility and strength. These varied descriptions only deepened the mystery, making it harder to pinpoint what exactly people were encountering. The fear it instilled was palpable, turning every rustle in the bushes, every shadow, into a potential threat. From its initial sightings in Puerto Rico, the legend of the Chupacabra began to spread like wildfire. Soon, reports of similar attacks and sightings emerged from Mexico, igniting a new wave of panic and speculation. The United States, particularly the southwestern states, also became a hotbed for Chupacabra encounters. The creature was reportedly seen in diverse environments, from arid deserts to dense forests, adapting to various landscapes. Its adaptability only added to its mystique, making it seem like an omnipresent threat, capable of appearing anywhere. The media, both local and international, eagerly picked up the story, transforming a local legend into a global phenomenon. The Chupacabra became a staple of cryptid lore, discussed in hushed tones and debated fiercely by enthusiasts and skeptics alike. With the spread of the legend came a myriad of theories, attempting to explain the Chupacabra's existence. Some believed it to be a mutated animal, perhaps a result of genetic experiments gone awry, or environmental factors. The idea of an alien creature, perhaps a survivor of a UFO crash or an extraterrestrial pet, also gained traction. Whispers of government conspiracies and secret biological weapons experiments circulated, adding a layer of intrigue. Could the Chupacabra be a creature engineered in a hidden lab, now unleashed upon the world? Another theory suggested it was simply a misidentified known animal, perhaps a wild dog or coyote, suffering from a severe illness. Cryptid hunters, armed with cameras and theories, ventured into the wilderness, hoping to capture definitive proof. Scientists, on the other hand, approached the phenomenon with a more analytical and skeptical eye, seeking rational explanations. As the legend grew, so did the scientific scrutiny. Skeptics began to offer more grounded biological explanations. One of the most compelling arguments pointed to animals suffering from severe cases of sarcoptic mange. This parasitic skin disease causes hair loss, skin thickening, and a gaunt appearance, drastically altering an animal's look. Coyotes, in particular, when afflicted with mange, can appear monstrous and unfamiliar, leading to misidentification. Their emaciated bodies and strange gait could easily be mistaken for a cryptid, especially in the dark or under stress. The puncture wounds, once thought to be unique, could be explained by the feeding habits of known predators. And the drained blood, often a misconception, as predators typically consume flesh, not just blood. Despite these scientific explanations, the allure of the Chupacabra persists, a testament to its powerful hold on our collective imagination. The Chupacabra remains an enduring mystery, a modern cryptid legend that continues to fascinate and terrify. Its story is woven into the fabric of folklore, a chilling reminder of the unknown that lurks just beyond our understanding. Whether real or imagined, the Chupacabra serves as a powerful symbol of our primal fears and our endless quest for answers. So, we leave you with a question. Is the Chupacabra a flesh and blood creature, or merely a product of fear and imagination?